Hi, so have you ever wondered how a film goes from this to this? Well, it's a long process and I'm going to tell you all about it today. Making a film is a process which separates into three main categories: pre-production, production and post-production. And in this video I'm going to take you through them to help you understand how a film is made. So the first stage of creating a film is pre-production. This is where you plan everything you need, from what your film will look like, to your crew, to your parking area, to refreshments for your crew. Everything must be planned for. Then you need to script your film, which means planning every scene, every dialogue, every little action, everything. Trust me, decaf ain't an option. You also have to hire your crew: a cameraman, a cinematographer, a sound recordist, a producer, and a production assistant are just some of the people you need to hire. And I haven't even mentioned the actors. And you also have to pick the locations where you're going to be filming, whether that's a set that you need to make or a real life location you need to get permissions to use it, rent it, let the police know or fire in. That you're filming there, and if you have things like explosions and gunshots, it's a huge hassle, and these are just some of the steps in pre-production. Production is the next stage of filmmaking. This is where you actually make your film come to life. Another part is adding the special effects. This is where you add all the explosions, gunshots and CGI. So this is an extreme close-up where you can only see the eyes. This is a medium close-up, which is a shot that filmmakers probably use the most of. This is the long shot, which shows the full character / subject plus a bit of the scene behind him. This is a two shot, where two subjects are on screen at the same time. Quentin Tarantino is the master of this shot. This is the over-the-shoulder shot, which is mostly used in conversations. This is an establishing shot, which is used to show a location where the action is taking place, like a city or a house. This is the high angle shot, which is taken from, you guessed it, a high angle. This is the low angle shot, which is the opposite of a high angle shot. It can be used to make the subject seem bigger and more powerful. This is the tilted frame shot. It can be used to show a character being intoxicated, like drunk for example. This is the point of view shot, which is meant to show something from the perspective of someone seeing it. So a lot of the time the camera is going to be a bit shaky. This is the last stage of the filmmaking process, which is called post-production. This is where you add all the special effects, CGI, music. One of the main parts of post-production is scene choosing. This is where you choose from all the scenes that you've filmed which ones you're actually going to use in your final project. Another part is adding the special effects. This is where you add all the explosions, gunshots and CGI into your film. Okay, and that about wraps it up. I obviously didn't mention everything in this video because this video would be like 30 hours long, but feel free to tell me what I missed in the comments below, and that's it for now.